In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invitation link in Circle.so. First, let's get started by heading over to Circle, specifically to Agsha's community. Once you're on the website, the first thing you need to do is locate the audience tab. It's usually on the left side of your dashboard, so go ahead and click on it, and this will take you to a new section where you'll manage the participants and members of your community. Now that we're in the audience section, our next stop is invite links. You should see this option alongside other management tools for your community. By clicking on invite links, you will enter the area where you can create or manage your existing invitation links. This is where all the magic happens in terms of bringing new members into your group. Next, you'll see an option that says create invite link. This is your go-to button for generating a new link, so click on it to begin setting one up. Creating an invitation link is essential, especially if you're trying to expand your community easily and efficiently. After you click on Create Invite Link, you'll be prompted to type an internal name for your link. This is a private label that helps you recognize and differentiate this link from others you may create in the future. Choose a name that is meaningful to you and captures the essence or purpose of the invitation. With the internal name set, the next step is to assign tags. Tags are helpful as they organize and categorize your link, ensuring that you can track and analyze engagements effectively later on. Once you've assigned relevant tags, you'll want to select a space to which this invitation applies. Spaces in Circle allow you to segment your community, so it's crucial to choose correctly to ensure that new members land in the right spot. Now, let's handle access settings. By clicking on Access, you'll dive into the permissions and controls of your invitation. Here, click on Create Access Group to build a collective set of rules or permissions that new invitees will follow as part of your community. Next, if your community uses them, it's time to explore the Paywalls feature. Click on it and then select Choose Paywall to decide whether your invite link requires any payment for entry to specific parts of your community. Paywalls are a great way to monetize specific content or access levels in your circle. Finally, you'll wrap up the process by hitting Save and Exit. This step finalizes your creation and immediately makes the invite link active. You can now distribute this link through your networks, bringing new faces into your circle community. And that's it. You've successfully created an invitation link in Circle.so. This process streamlines member onboarding and can help grow and manage your community efficiently. Feel free to revisit each step and don't hesitate to explore additional settings and customizations as you become more familiar with the platform. Thanks for tuning in and happy community building.